So Apple has actually released iOS 14.7 beta 2 for developers, and the 14.7 for public beta testers is actually going to be released in some few hours. And in this update, there are nothing new right here, no visible features right here, but there are some bug fixes and then improvements which Apple didn't really highlight in this update. So I'm sure probably in beta 3 there might be a lot of visible changes, and then if Apple releases it, I'm just gonna do another video and then it highlights everything Apple is actually gonna bring. But WWDC is some few days away, and Apple has really dropped a lot of hints on iMessage, and this is making it very obvious that there's going to be a lot of changes in iMessage. So there was one update. I made a video on iOS 14.7 beta 1. Apple actually told us in an update or a message that they have the idea of making iMessage a better place than WhatsApp even. So I don't know if maybe they're going to make it eligible for Android users to also install iMessage on their phones, or they're going to make iMessage as a social media network, which is going to make a lot of people just get to follow people for whatever content they create, or whatever they do on iMessage is going to make people to subscribe or follow them. And then they have a mindset of making the iMessage a social media network. So in this case, maybe it might work like Telegram or WhatsApp, or maybe something more than the two apps I'm actually mentioning right here. Because in a previous note Apple dropped, they said they wanted to make iMessage a better place or a better application than WhatsApp. So I think maybe they're dropping a lot of hints on iMessage means there's something that is really coming, which we need to really expect. So WWDC is actually gonna come, which is a day they are going to launch macOS Big Sur 12 and then iOS 15, iPadOS 15 and other software. So make a date, and I'm gonna drop a lot of videos on macOS and then iOS on this channel right here, so you don't miss anything. Subscribe to the channel so that when come June 7th, I'm just gonna bring everything that you need to know. And also I'm gonna leave a link in the description which is gonna help you to install iOS 15 early when it drops on June 7th. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.